What's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Simple Freedom Warriors back office tour. We're going to go over every button in the back office and how you're going to be able to use the Simple Freedom Warriors to be able to generate more traffic, leads, and potential signups for any program that you want to build. Okay? So thank you so much for being on this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future affiliate marketing videos. My name is Justin Temple. I've actually been in affiliate marketing for over 13 years, over a decade. And I got started when I was 15 years old and dropped out of high school when I was 16 and actually just did this internet career. And I became a top 200 earner out of over 100,000 people in the first company I joined. Then the company went out of business, like many do. And then I actually left the industry and did other guru business models, purchased course after course. And then I came back to the industry because of the shipping crisis. My $300 per day e-com store was suffering because of the shipping crisis in 2020. And so were other online stores. So I actually came back to home business to sell digital products. And I made free videos just like this. And 8 months after making free videos just like this, I was able to build a residual income, never have to work my job again, fire my boss, and escape the matrix. So if you want to be able to make money online, I can show you exactly how. All you got to do is make videos like this, upload them the way that I show you, and set up your funnel so that you're branded and have a good offer. Okay? Now, it's not all easy, but I can show you exactly how to do it real easily. Okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and get into Simple Freedom Warriors. So when I created my success in in affiliate marketing after coming back to the industry, I actually ended up building multiple streams of income and automating those income streams. And so now I have people joining me in multiple different programs because they find me on Google, YouTube, Facebook, etc. And so then I actually became a top 6 MLM recruiter. And after I became a top 6 MLM recruiter, then I actually started my own affiliate program. And that affiliate program is called Simple Freedom Warriors. Okay. So I am the owner of Simple Freedom Warriors. Okay. And the reason I created this company is because I want the affiliates to have a quality home that is not going to change on them. So like every program that I promote, they always change, and I become a top leader, they change. And so I wanted you guys to have a place and a home to where you can get directly paid without worrying about the company. Okay. In Simple Freedom Warriors, you get directly paid from the customer. The admin never touches your money. The company never touches your money. Okay. So you never have to worry about affiliate payouts. You get directly paid from the customer. The company has nothing to do with your money. Okay. So there's no risk as far as anything like that. And then there's a lot of unique things about this program. Anyways, let's get into the back office tour. So when you're in the back office, when you get started for only $7, you're going to have your middle section right here with your lessons and your instructions, okay? You're going to have the left side with your previous next lesson support. Make sure you bookmark the login, and then we've got all of our lessons, okay? All of our lessons here. So anyways, that is the basic of the back office. We have the right side buttons to order the products, okay? You can even hire our team to build your funnel for you and set everything up. And then we also have our schedule right here. Okay, we have our schedule for our live coaching trainings. And I'm going to be going live in 20 minutes. Let's see, what is today? Today's Wednesday. So I'm going to be going live in 20 minutes and uploading this video to YouTube with everyone in the company. Okay. So we're going to go live and upload this video together and market together. So every day I market with you guys doing the strategy that I show you inside of the company. Okay, so this strategy right here, we actually do this every single day to get to be able to generate traffic, leads, and signups for any program that you want to promote. Okay, and so that's the front end. Now down here, we've also got laptop side assistance. Okay, so at the bottom of every page, you can actually just get help directly with the lesson that you're on. If you can't get in contact with me, if you don't have a phone, if you're in a different country, you can just use the Facebook group as well, and you can ask your questions in the Facebook group, okay? So thank you so much, and let's go ahead and get back up to the back office tour, okay? So that's the bare bones of the back office. Now, where's the different products? Well, here's the $7 level is going to be all of these sections right here, okay? So the $7 level is going to be all of this training right here, all of this training, and then these bonuses, okay? So that is the back office tour in a small nutshell. Now, what if you go ahead and grab other products? Well, here's the Done For You Affiliate Vault. Here's the Inner Circle. Here's the Elite Marketer. Okay, here's the Traffic Rolodex. Here's the Duplication Formula. And then here is the Revolution Formula. Okay, so these are the products and where they're at. Now, we also have documents inside of the lessons. So check this out. We go to the Grow phase. Okay. And so right here, we can see that we actually have a document that gives us the information that we're looking to use in our business, okay? So we actually have documented lessons, and then the videos, okay? The videos are actually me going through the document and actually doing the document every day, okay? So here's me doing the document for 2.5 hours in front of you, okay? It doesn't take 2.5 hours every day to do this. It takes me like an hour to do all my marketing every day. So, and if I blog, it takes me an hour and 30 minutes, which I do blog. So anyways, this strategy really only takes like an hour a day, and you can even get it down to like a half hour a day. So anyways, that's what's really cool about this strategy, and that's only for $7. So this is all the $7 level real quick. I teach you exactly how to build your business for only $7, okay? No joke, no bullshit. And then we also have the all-in bundle. Okay, so sometimes up here, I'll have an announcement for all of the affiliates at the top of the website. So that way they have an easy way to get access to that. Okay, but that's pretty much the back office tour. We've got the previous lesson, next lesson, support lessons, the middle section where you're going to get the information and your action steps, as well as the documents to access the deeper training. And then we've got the ability to upgrade your account and hire our team, okay? We also have our schedule right here. So if you have any questions about the back office tour, let me know. And that's pretty much it. We also have laptop side assistance right here, okay? And then I believe that's it. The back office is actually really simple. It's just a course. Like there's not a bunch of there's not a bunch of links, there's not a bunch of affiliate thing. There's not a bunch of info or like CRM. It's a course. It's a course to help you with whatever you want. Okay. And so there's not going to be a bunch of like intricate things back here. Like, oh, here's where you click to add your bridge video into the funnel. Like you're gonna set that up yourself. Okay. So it's a really, really simple, easy to use back office, and you're really just going to go through it from start to finish. So you're going to start at the new member orientation, and you're just going to finish this, complete the steps, and then click next. Okay, watch the video, complete the steps, click next. Okay, watch the video, complete the steps are in the document, and then click next. Okay, so you just keep doing that over and over, and as you do this, you're going to complete your online presence. You're going to set up your entire online business. Okay. And then you're going to start marketing right here. All right. And we're going to use all of these social platforms. Okay. So, anyways, that's the back office tour. Thank you so much for checking out Simple Freedom Warriors. I am the owner of SFW. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to call me at any time, 480-582-4372. And if you're checking out one of our affiliates, please join them. make sure you join one of our affiliates rather than joining me. That would be awesome because our affiliates are working hard. So if you happen to have talked to a previous affiliate before watching this video, make sure to go ahead and get started with them. If I'm the only one that you can find, if you want to work with me, that's great too. Okay? So thank you so much, and we will see you on the inside of Simple Freedom Warriors. Now, it's actually only $7 to get started. So let's go here, and then let's see. Whoops. I didn't mean to Google it. Dash. There we go. Okay, so here's the page. You can actually just get started for $7 right now. So all you got to do is send your sponsor $350 through their payment methods, and then send the admin $350 through the payment methods. Okay, so and then you just send the payment proof to this email, and then use this subject line, use this body. Okay, so if you wanted, you could actually literally just join from this video right now. You could just send me $350. Okay, just pause the video. You could just send me $350, and then you could just send me another $350 for the admin payment. Okay, and then you can just send those payments to this right here with this subject line and this body. Okay, you can just pause and you can just type this out, and then type this, and then type this, right? So you could actually just join from this video if you wanted to. And then since I'm the admin and the sponsor, if you're joining me, you could just make one payment of $7. Okay. So if you're joining me, Justin Temple, I'm the admin and the sponsor. So you can just send me one payment of $7 and then just go ahead and send that payment proof here. Okay. So that's up to you. If you want to go ahead and check out the link, check out the website, check out the funnel, check out what you're going to be promoting, then you can go ahead and visit the link down below. And you're going to visit SFW-CP. Okay, whoops. You're going to visit, yes, this right here. So you're going to visit this page, click on the button, enter your name, your email, and you're going to visit the SFW funnel. Otherwise, you could just get started right here, right now, with my payment methods on that page. But anyways, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed the back office tour. And Simple Freedom Warriors is a direct pay affiliate program that was created because Justin Temple was tired of all the bullshit and all the company owners changing everything and having to wait for commissions, not getting paid commissions when you're owed commissions. So I just created Simple Freedom Warriors to get directly paid, and you can get directly paid, not have to worry about anything. And then the products are here to actually help you with your marketing for any program that you want. So this is actually the most amazing affiliate program, the most simple, straightforward, no bullshit, no fluff, no nonsense affiliate program. Okay? So thank you so much. Oh, what's the compensation plan? You earn 50-50. Everything you earn 50-50, no ranks, no bullshit, no volume, no qualifications. You earn 50% on everything. Okay? So thank you so much. Go ahead and click the link down below. Visit simplefreedomwarriors.com, and we will see you on the inside. Thank you so much. Click the link down below. Click the link down below. Click the link down below.